We have dog in our compound. There's dog in our compound. Move on now. Attack.
Somebody gon' die today. Somebody gon' die today.
Oops.
Shots by DMJ.
Hello? Hello, my neighbor. Please, quickly help me to check my door. Did they remember to lock it? Who lock them? Oh, that's good. Quickly help me to check my gate too. Did they remember to lock that one too? You lock them? Okay, good. There's one light beside my gate. Help me to check it. Did they remember to off it? You off them? Thank you very much. Help me to check my window because it's like the rain wanna fall now. Did they remember to close the window? You close them. Did you confirm it? I confirm. Thank you very much. My conscience no problem. What else? No problem. You can go back to your house. No. Not now. What do you mean? Because I don't travel.